Before I get started, I'd like to take a quick survey to learn a few things about my audience. I want you to comment below if you're able to identify a problem, schedule with a contractor, and get it done in 1 hour. I've discovered my toilet was running. I posted a job, found a plumber, got the problem fixed in less than 1 hour and saved over 40%. Now I want you to comment below if it took you or someone you know more than 3 days to get the same thing done. You see, the majority of you watching this video are my customers. My name is Reimagined, my company is ChoreRelief. And what we're doing is something very complicated, but it comes from a very simple idea. Now at ChoreRelief, we want to build a better experience for the future of property maintenance. Now what does that mean exactly? You see, homeowners and contractors all have pain points, and we're here to remove them. Now for homeowners, it takes forever to find someone reliable, vetted, and affordable, and it often takes so much more time to get an appointment with them. Now for the contractors, it's even harder to find clients without going through dozen steps or paying tons of money to those marketing agencies like Angie's List and Home Advisors, often delivering poor leads, when all they want is to talk to clients, book an appointment, and fix what's wrong. Now what ChoreRelief does, it connects these two problems by creating a solution in the middle. Homeowners get fast access to the right type of help, and contractors get to deal directly with the homeowners to discuss the job. Our solution operates online and through a smartphone app, and it relies on artificial intelligence and built-in algorithm by industry experts. So we essentially become a digital best friend to the homeowners because we're turning their phone into their service providers. Now let me show you how it works. Now homeowners post their job with their time frame and budget. Then ChoreRelief app match them with the pros in their area who are skilled, available, and willing to work within their time frame and budget. Now the contractors, of course, can counter offer the price. Well, we essentially offer a two-way virtual assistant for both the homeowner and the contractor. And now once the job is scheduled, we provide escrow services to ensure the work is being done before the contractor gets paid. More importantly, this is more of a direct marketplace than Angie's List, Thumbtack, because it does more of what everyone wants. Simple and very reliable way. ChoreRelief does a better job of matching demand and supply, and its app makes it all easy. That's ChoreRelief.